I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin sideways. At this point, there's a broadening falling wedge. There's a 68% chance this breaks to the upside. However, you can easily get another drive all the way down here to 17,500 and then bounce. Again, I'm not trying to predict this. Basically, I'm saying like once this breaks out, you'll see some strength. You'll get the volume coming in that we need. And that would be my signal to open longs. If this breaks to the downside, parabolic drop. This is a descending triangle. This is a bearish pattern. This is on the Bitcoin 12-hour chart. If this breaks lower, which it's remember, the reason why this price action looks like this is every time it's hitting this level, there's a bunch of buyers and they buy it up. There's a bunch of buyers, they buy it up. Hits this level, there's a bunch of buyers, they buy it up. Happened here too. Buyers buy it up. When you run out of buyers and you can't hold this level anymore, what happens? You lose it and it breaks to the downside, and then people are trying to acquire Bitcoin at lower prices. You could see prices 15,400, could be in the cards 13,800. So if somehow Bitcoin fakes it out, comes down here, drops below here, and then regains this level, and the bears get trapped, I'm looking for higher prices, and then I'll deal with that then. I don't want to talk about it now. But right now, Bitcoin 12-hour, and this would form a falling channel or falling wedge. Okay, if Bitcoin breaks to the downside. I've had so many people rejoining the group and joining the group because of the discount. So we're going to continue that. Can help you. I'll change your life forever, period. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Bang. Now, look at this. All these other markets have already broke down their June level. Bitcoin is the only asset still holding. So spot gold has fallen below its June level. NASDAQ 100, Dow Jones Industrial, S&P 500 index, crude oil, everything is down except for Bitcoin. It's the only asset still holding. Everybody in crypto wants to think, okay, this is Bitcoin's chance to break away, but we have to assume if the rest of the markets continue to get drugged down because the Fed is trying to pump the dollar, Bitcoin won't be able to hang on. Your other markets break to the downside, Bitcoin's going to get drugged lower. Okay, so keep that in mind every time you're thinking, how should you deal with this situation? And we're going to DXY, the dollar, and this is being done on purpose. On purpose, the United States government is dumping stocks. They're dumping their assets, $95 billion worth a month. There's going to be a total dump sell-off of $2.2 trillion over a 2-year period. They're dumping the market. So you got the dollar broke out of this cup and handle, measured moves up here. Now, will it get some type of resistance? Now, the question is, see this order block down here, which was previous support. This resistance, is the DXY going to pull back here and give us some short-term Bitcoin upside and altcoins bounce as well? So we're watching this key point with the DXY, which is the dollar index. This is how the dollar compares to a basket of other fiat currencies, right? So this is an important chart to watch. I'm going to go over some ideas that I've talked about in the past with a group and have meant epic profits. And so the biggest and most important part about this bear market is that we're able to accumulate coins and then ride them to the top. However, we're not going to ride them blindly. We're going to take profits. You get mini run-ups. I quit working 2018. on mini run-ups and even oversold bounces. For me, the market would be a lot easier to trade if I did get a big sell-off, because that would give me a good buying opportunity as far as oversold bounces. I had some amazing shout-outs to give in my trading group. This person started with 900 pounds, and he was just trading Bitcoin with leverage, and he made, in 4 days, he's up to $2,400, and he shows you his trades. When you get updates constantly all day, like some people need that. They don't have time to wait for somebody to release a video, or they want updates all day. I've got a whole team. This person, when he was in the group, he bought his dream car. Now this guy is selling his dream car. Look at this Lamborghini Aventador. This is a dream car. Obviously, he's going to be able to load up on crypto because he didn't take any losses. Person made a down payment in crypto for the first time ever. He took a chunk of AXS, and he bought his first new car ever. Are you serious? This guy. Are you better than this guy? He is what you're dealing at. This is what you're against. He's an elite trader. Look, he's got 6 screens. A lot of these guys use more than that. Are you better than this person? Can you take this person's money? You have to ask yourself, when the new money flows into this market gets so much easier to trade. We need some bullish momentum for this to happen. And so now we're trading these. I'll show you some of the trades that we nailed recently, and it's been amazing. Like, it blows my mind. So Atom, as an example, July the 19th, I posted, because all I was looking for is breaks above the 200 SMA, right? I want to see, I'll open longs on a 4-hour time frame when the price action breaks above the 200 SMA, and Bitcoin looks like it's somewhat going to bounce, reverse. So July 18th. Now, if you go to Atom now, Atom broke out 83% profits after that signal was given. Now, like easy money. Okay, so then on July the 16th, I come out and I totally explained all the news about Ethereum, how they're deploying their latest urge, everything. And again, the same signal. This has a lot of news hype behind it, I stated. Needs a bullish retest of 1260 for upside continuation. And we nailed it right here. We nailed it right here for 50% gains on Ethereum. Now the bulls have got a falling wedge that needs to hold, and for the bulls needs to break out, retest to the upside, and then you're looking at a possible target up here. This thing breaks down, parabolic drop. That's all there is to it. Next one. So I found somebody's comment. They said, ETH proof of work is dead before it even started. There's no meaningful backing and no community. And that's how this market makes you think. Like, there's nothing to it. But traders do everything they can to make money off these coins. Market makers. And just think how many people that were mining Ethereum they had all this hardware equipment, all these miners. Now they're sitting around looking crazy. So I said, and the majority will dump ETH proof of work, and they did it. They did it. It was $30 initially, and now it's $12. But here's the key. You need people. Some people need guidance. They don't know this like I do, like the back of my hand. You get a buy the dip play on ETH proof of work. Be careful. Buy the dip. This thing, if you would have bought down here, 300% profits. 300% profits. Anywhere in this area, and you're up 50%. It was up 60% alone today. When you're new in this market, you're a sheep. You're kind of looking for, who do I follow? You get stuck in this herd mentality, and you don't know who's got the best information. But the point is, these charts, I can get you up to speed, and you'll know the top coins that everybody's watching. Shout out to Mr. Varma. He's up 2x in a week off the Kucoin gems. Yeah, those gem picks forget about it. It's freaking easy money. If you got a small bag and you want to double or triple your bag, Kucoin all day long. Charles Hoskinson, who is the creator of Ethw, said the bull run would immediately happen if the United States government were to pass the Financial Innovation Act, the crypto market's mega bull run, right? So the point is, you've got some downside now and you got to learn. And you will still have altcoin seasons. I nailed Neo for 300% profits right after the end of the last bull run, because you still get these amazing bounces out of these altcoins. And you need that profit. That's your ammo. You need it to make more money. So we've got to build up the capital together. There's no way you should be working in 4 years. There's no way. If you follow this channel, there is no way you should be working in 4 years, because we're preparing now. A lot of optimism. All that huge XRP had huge run up. Right here, XRP posted on the 19th. At this point, it was only 43% banger out of XRP. But what did XRP? XRP did like 60 something percent profits after the retest. It was crazy. Nail the winning coins. If you're not in the right coins, you cannot win. Period. We're going to get you to where you want to be financially. If you subscribe to this channel right now, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.